In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Uber app as a complete beginner. Whether you're new to using Uber or just need a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Uber in 2025. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Uber website, or even better, the Uber app that should be installed on your smartphone for easier access. If you don't have the app, simply download it from your app store. Once the app is opened, you'll need to set up an account if you haven't done so already. Providing your email and phone number will allow Uber to send you important notifications about your ride status and details. The first thing you'll notice in the app is that you'll be prompted to enter a location. This step is crucial because based on your current location, Uber connects you to the nearest available drivers. Next, once your location is set, you will be asked to enter your destination. In the Where To box, simply type in the address or the name of the place you wish to go. It's a good idea to double check this to avoid any confusion later on. After selecting your destination, the app will show you a variety of ride options and available vehicles in your area. By clicking on See Prices, you can compare different options like UberX, UberXL, or a premium service. Choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Once you have decided on the type of service, make sure to choose the pickup location. This can either be your current location or another spot where you prefer to meet your driver. Similarly, verify your drop-off location is correct before proceeding. Next, you'll be asked to select a rider if you are booking the ride for someone else. Simply choose the person's name from your contacts. You can also save frequently visited or favorite places for quick access in the future. If you've saved places like home or work, Uber lets you select them quickly without having to type them every time. If you're interested in exploring more features, the app's rental cars section can be useful for longer trips where you need the car for multiple hours. If you're needing to send items, the courier option allows you to send packages efficiently within the city. And then there's the Connect feature, great for sending, receiving, or even store pickups. You can also explore the hourly option if you need a driver for a set period. Lastly, if you get hungry, you can seamlessly switch over to Uber Eats and order food delivered right to your door. This interoperability makes the Uber app a one-stop solution for your transportation and delivery needs. Once everything is set, clicking on Next or Order will confirm your ride request. You can track your driver's arrival in real time through the app, giving you peace of mind while you wait. That's it. From entering your destination to choosing ride preferences, it's now simpler than ever to navigate the Uber app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you feel more confident using Uber.